Welcome back folks. We reveal today an orange with vitamin A, kiwi and banana face masks could win you 100k. Subscribe and share together. First up, star ingredient is the orange, a vitamin C treasure, but we are adding special touch. Orange. Pulverize. Water. Mix. Vitamin B. Blister. Mix. Throw up. Squishify. Peptide. Sure, enjoying a glass of orange juice is a great idea to get glowing bright skin tone. Next, we have a nutrient-packed banana. Crush. Honey. Mix. Blister. Draw up. Squidify. Peptide. Banana ice mask, cool refreshment, but with a sweet surprise. Kiwi. Our green hero, rich in vitamins and perfect for skin rejuvenation. Watch how we transform it. Crush. Water. Mix. Blister. Drop. Squidify. Peptide. Do you guys enjoy ASMR face mask? Let me know in the comments. Let's take a moment to delight in the tangy sensation of kiwi juice. Join us in the quest for 100k prize. Subscribe today, and if we hit 1 million subscribers by February 7th, we will announce the big winner. Don't miss it out.